Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Warmly welcome to all of you with another important video. Today I just want to highlight, a lot of our safety professionals, they are wishing to work in Saudi Aramco as a safety advisor or as a safety consultant. So especially as a safety advisor, I do agree that Aramco through their PMT, especially to support their PMT team on each project. They are trying to hire safety advisors, just to directly guide, advise, and give them a right direction in perspective of HSC requirements like health, safety, environment. And yes, PMT already knowledgeable. They know their job. First of all, their job is to make sure everything is done safely. And if any gap loops are there, so yes, safety advisor should be there to help them in the right direction, in line with Saudi Aramco expectations, in line with Saudi Aramco safety standards. And most importantly, Saudi Aramco, since it's a global brand, so they do not, in position to compromise on safety, quality, and credibility. So let me just highlight, if you really wish to work in Saudi Aramco, just make sure, you understand the major crux of responsibilities which you truly need to fulfill in Saudi Aramco. Number one is you truly have to perform, assess and report contractor compliance with the contract like occupational health and safety environmental requirements. You will be responsible to conduct pre-construction job explanation and kick-off meetings to explain construction execution safety requirements per whatever the contract scope is signed with Saudi Aramco, along with the relevant contractors. Track and analyze key performance indicators like KPIs for performance improvement opportunities is a huge responsibility. And you will also be responsible to develop, the safety plans, especially the safety training plans. And you will also be assisting the staff and the relevant department employees at all levels, not only the leadership, even the middle management and the lower management. And yes, since you'll be the safety advisor, so you have to keep yourself updated with all the local regulations, especially in Saudi Arabia. Uh, Saudi Aramco, no doubt, have loss prevention department. They have a lot of safety regulations and rules, policies already built in as per international standards and in line with Saudi governmental, legal requirements and HSC. But still, as a safety advisor, you will keep updated. And if anything is new is coming, you will definitely update with the relevant PMT as per the project nature. If anything came new as a law from the government side. And yes, you will also be responsible to identify and evaluate like hazardous conditions and practices in the workplace. That's why your surveys are important. Your visits to the project sites, they're very critically important. And most importantly, you will coordinate, conduct on-site audits like physical to observe physical conditions and safe work practices. And yes, your advice and counsel concerning compliance with corporate safety regulation of Saudi Aramco and procedures. You definitely have to perform some construction site area or safety inspections of department like facilities and operations. You will be responsible to perform job site safety compliance inspections, including hazard analysis and safe work procedures, prepare written reports and recommendations. You will also be responsible to develop, some of the controls of identified hazards, because sometimes we have big list of hazards, but plan is not effectively implemented. And control plan in Aramco is we start with elimination, then isolation, then engineering controls, administrative controls, and last but not the least is PPs. Okay, so that would also be your key role. And most importantly, you will be coordinating to implement those effective controls along with the department heads, because you are the one analyzed already the hazard consequences, so severity and everything through risk assessment as well. So make sure you effectively work on control systems like policies and procedures. You recommend different changes like MOC would also be a big area of your concern, like management of change. and reflect improved opportunities and eliminate workplace incidents and injuries. So ultimate purpose, as a safety advisor, you have to help that project PMT team to reduce the chances of injuries, near miss, or accidents, even make them zero actually. So creating a zero accident club, zero near miss club, that's your major responsibility. And you are responsible, inshallah, to participate, in safe operations, like committee meetings are there, analyze their injury, kind of reporting analysis, property damage, if any, which mean data analysis. And through that, you have to prepare some comprehensive kind of list of comprehensive recommendations along with corrective preventive actions to minimize potential hazards. And you will also be incorporating, some of the safety requirements like purchase of safety equipment or related supplies and personal protective equipment people in accordance with established company requirements, because Aramco have specific requirement for everything. You talk about material, PPs, process, activity, area, city, every sort of thing in Aramco is well established through systematic approach, and they have rules for everything. And rules are rules. So, which means zero tolerance requirements for safety, quality, and credibility. So, in that context, you will be a key person as advisor. So, maintain awareness of corporate safety continuously. Wherever you are moving, wherever you are speaking up, guide, motivate, and make sure you are also fully updated with the certain knowledge, because technology is evolving so rapidly. That's why Aramco have initiated Digital Aramco, where things are becoming more digitalized. So make sure you are supporting as advisor to the relevant PMT wherever you are hired as a safety advisor. And safety advisor means a lot of projects are there in Aramco. Aramco means a big brand. So maybe you will get plenty of opportunities. If you've been hired for project number one, then be ready for project number two, inshallah. So this is how Aramco is looking for the right person for the right job always. So anytime you go to Aramco site and a website and see if there is any job related to safety advisory, so just apply as a safety advisor. Go for the interview, could be online. If it's a physical, go with confidence and make sure you win and join Saudi Aramco as a safety advisor. Thank you very much. Your knowledge should be demonstrated in the right way, professionally. And yes, your qualifications are very much important. Make sure you are having at least level six, qualification and safety. And most importantly, experience matters a lot. So at least 10 years or 5 to 10 years experience will definitely be giving you a more uh, advantage, especially to giving you opportunity for this particular interview. All the best and be the safety advisor of Saudi Aramco. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. I hope this video will definitely help you out, because mostly the guys were asking, if we want to join Saudi Aramco as a safety advisor, what things matters a lot. So I hope this video will have given you a complete details. Thank you very much. If you're new to our YouTube channel, Training Zone, please subscribe, like, and share. This is our daily learning club. Like me, you will also be learning, inshallah. Stay tuned. Wait for my next video. Thank you very much.